We are out washing the bikes today, guys. Woo, I'm getting wet. I'd already actually washed mine yesterday, but Kevin's has never been washed. I was just showing him a few tips on washing the bike if you have to stop sometimes. I don't really like washing them with the car wash, but it's fine as long as you know what you're doing. And you gotta be careful because you can get water through your seals, and you don't want to do that. So basically, I was showing him
Take
you
them
don't
out.
want you don't want to take your pressure and pressure at an angle like under your decals because it will blow your decals off. Same way with these decals. Anything, you don't want to put pressure down into your throttle housing around the switches. You can stay back a ways and wash it. Always take your key out because it does close that little flap. It helps keep the water out of your ignition switch. Same way with your throttle, you don't want to pressure around that. On these seals, like on this axle seal, you don't want to angle pressure in here and get up close because you can push water through the seals on these bearings and get water into where your bearings are. You don't want to do that. Another thing is your O-ring chains or any chain. You don't want to pressure around the chain because it will push water through those O-rings into your chain. And of course, when you do that, your chain's not going to last near as long. But that's the biggest thing. One of the things is too over here, same way on your, you can put this up
Yeah.
around that way. Same way on your front seals for your axle. You don't want to get water pressure down in here at an angle into those seals. This one does have a cover that helps on this side. But on your forks, you want to clean the mud when you're spraying with a car wash or just even a water hose out of in here because if you get dirt and mud on these tubes, then the sand and grit and dirt can actually go up inside your seals and the sand and grit will actually eat your seals out. But when you pressure, don't ever pressure up at an angle like this because it will push water up through your seals and you don't want to get water up inside here. Same way with your steering stem. Never pressure right around here in these any bearing location. Don't pressure up close. Same way with your gas cap. Keep this closed, but you don't want to pressure in here. You don't want water down in your key of your gas cap. There's just a lot of places like that. You just got to watch the pressure. Stay back a little ways. Don't ever pressure up close. Same way with any of these seals, even around your brake calipers. This rear seal here, but it's still actually dirty because the only good way is with a mitt and soap. And basically, I just use turtle wax soap and a bucket and a mitt, and it actually does a good job of washing my bike. But for just a quickie, just to get the mud off, car wash works pretty good. Just be careful because you can blow your decals off. You can get water in your seals. So we're out today just doing that. I run down here with him to town, and we're gonna run down here to this Sierra Cycles and check it out, see what they have in here. Don't know what they have in this place, but
Cycles.
cycles. Oh, Sierra Cycles has cycles.
Wait, I thought you were in there one time.
I was, but I didn't really look around. We just looked at those helmets
Oh
that
yeah,
time.
you're right. You're right.
That was when we came out to visit.
Yeah, I just got thinking about that. I was like, wait.
Yeah, and we just looked at the helmets that time. Didn't buy nothing. May not have nothing I need anyway.